sarap talaga dito pag yung ano, yung okay, lakad mo lang, dahan-dahan. Bakit? Tsura mo! Sabi dyan. Smile! Smile! Happy ka la? Happy. Happy. Darating na natin. Hindi ah.
Ayan o. Ayan o. Ayan o. Punta tayo doon. Ibabangga ko.
Ano say?
Hi.
Ah, ang saya!
Ay, nako.
Bawa mo kami bilad sa araw. Malalim to? Malalim to, hindi? Malalim. Di ka walang marunong lumangoy.
Yan. Okay guys.
Na mag-upload.
Enjoy life.
Oo. Wala sila.
Enjoy life guys. Maybe we can enjoy life. Maybe we can enjoy life.
Ayan, maganda na yung ganun. Diet. Uy, ang cute mo naman, Sabrina Eve. Bakit dito? Lola, ikaw ang reyna. Mag-isa yung itaw. Hello, boy, coming! Tara na tayo dito.
Hey, go! Balik nga kayo, te.
Balik nga tayo sa. Ayoko to. Ako magtakot dati. Ako magpapadya ka. Wala ako doon. Sige, sumakay. Ilan mga kayo sab? Isa. Wala, nakipila pala sila dyan. Game. Pakita mo sila sa likod. Ay, ito pala. Sila oh. Pakita mo sila. Ayan, si ate oh. Minsan lang yan makabugbay. Ah. Two, three, smile. Last smile la.
About 2,000 years ago, in the town of Nazareth, there lived a young woman named Mary. She was engaged to be married to Joseph, a carpenter. One day, an angel appeared before her and told her she had been chosen to have a special baby. The baby was the God's son, and she must call him Jesus. Soon after the angel's visit, Mary and Joseph were married. Mary was due to have her baby, but they were told they had to go on a long journey to Bethlehem, which was where Joseph came from. This was because they had to pay a special tax. Mary had to ride a donkey for a few days over the hills of Galilee. At last, Mary and Joseph arrived in Bethlehem. It was crowded with other people who needed to pay their taxes. Mary was very tired and needed a place to stay. At each inn, the story was the same. There was no room for her. Eventually, one kind innkeeper said he had a stable where he kept his animals. They were ready to stay there. And so it was that a few hours later, Mary gave birth to her son in that stable. She wrapped Jesus in strips of cloth and laid him in a manger full of hay. At the same time on the hillside overlooking Bethlehem, some shepherds were watching over the sheep. A bright light appeared in the sky. They were very afraid. It was an angel sent by God. The angel told them not to be afraid because he had good news. He said the Son of God had been born, and they would find him in Bethlehem. The shepherds wanted to go and see the baby. Far away in the east, wise man saw a new star shining high in the sky. This man studied the stars and they knew this was a very special star. They studied the scrolls where it said that whenever a bright new star appeared, it meant that a great ruler had been born. The wise man set off to find the baby. They were guided by the star to the stable in Bethlehem. Here, they let down and worshiped Jesus. They gave bits of gold, frankincense, and myrrh.
Ang ganda na umpisahan natin. Wow! I told you, you're gonna enjoy it. Ayan, mag-enjoy si si Papa. Ala. Hi.
Walang away. Walang away ha. Kiss. Walang away. Oh, may gas! May gas!
Pogi.
Yan ah.
Oh no.
Yung vlogger dyan, no? Ang bilis ng kamay. Hindi ko nag-kiss mo ba? Pag nag-kiss mo ako, delikado.
Hello, good morning, Baguio. Good morning.
Hindi tiwala sa akin yung pick-up nila. 1 week.
Mama. Hi, saan ka pupunta la? Sa bundok. Mga ngabayo. Saan tayo la? La, jogging tayo la. Exercise mo. Exercise. Exercise na. Exercise sila, exercise sila. Exercise sila. Ganun no? Ganun no? Yan. Ayo. Sige, jogging. Jogging. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Ano daw ma? Tara, baba. Oh, Sabrina. Dandahan, Sab. Sabrina.
Step at a time.
Go la.
Sabrina, dito ka. Hindi yan yung way.
Oh, sayaw la. Oh, pumosing pa.
Pumosig ko.
Oh, la. Oh. 1, 2, 3, smile. Smile.
Ako.
Binaba mo la. Tingnan mo la.
Saan?
Yan o, taas. Tingnan mo taas.
Ano yung kalang?
Ayaw niya. O, tingin ka la. Tada!
Hindi makapaniwala na kababa siya sa ganun.
Ewan ko.
50 daw.
Ay, pa-picture ako.
Say, palalay ka sayahan. Hindi ka marunong. Say, tingin.
Okay na. Ayaw mong bata.
Straight lang, straight. Wala ka ba number 7?
Ano yun? Sino magpatakbo niyan?
Si Kuya, alalay siya.
Ay, ano lang? Ganyan lang? Akala ko tatakbo.
Ano?
Yon. Fernando po. Oh.
Subakat yung braso.
Sige na, uwi na kami pa.
May pag-job ka.